Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna quickly show you how to make these wheels for a Shelby Mustang car cake. We start by rolling out some black fondant about ½ inch thick. Cut out 4 circles with round cutters and use a small cutter to make the wheel. Press the cutter onto the tire to add detail lines. The tread marks are added with an X-Acto knife. Grab some gray fondant, cut out circles, and make the dish like this. Gently press the dish into place. Cut out thin pentagons. And then make the spokes like so, with one side being pointy. Press the spokes onto the dish. Here we're shaping the lug nuts with the piping tool. Place this onto the wheel. And then the cap. Paint with a mixture of luster dust and vodka to make it look like metal. And finally, add silver sprinkles to the wheel, carefully placing them with tweezers. Here are the completed wheels. Hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye!